What's up, everyone? It's your girl Kenzie here from LaytonSportsCards, ripping a 2021 Chronicles UFC hobby box for Paul C. Good luck, Paul. Here we go. It's gonna be a fun one. Haven't ripped one of these yet. Seen quite a bit ripped. Pulled some very nice cards out of here. I'm going to try my best with some of these names. All right, here we go. Nice Masvidal already. Got one out of Origins. Nice. Zangwelly. We've got a Amanda Nunes Crown Royale. Volkanovski. We've got a blue Nate Diaz Rookies and Stars. That is out of 99. Kevin Holland rookie out of black. And a Khabib. Nice. You guys see the fight card for December 11th? Man, that's going to be a nice one. Nunez fights, Poirier fights, and Masvidal fights. So it's going to be a big card there. We've got a Adesanya out of 149. A Adesanya out of Optic. Our first auto, National Pride of Cain Velasquez. Heavyweight. No.
I was going to say that's pretty nice. I just heard heavyweights.
Yeah. Jokic. And a red Burns rookie out of 149.
I appreciate it, Hunter.
Schnell rated rookie. Khabib. Nunez. We've got a Nate Diaz Crown Royale.
I know Khabib technically retired, but you think he'll ever fight again?
I sure hope he does. I mean, he's coaching his cousin now. So I think he'll miss it and get in. Dan Ige, rated rookie, featherweight. Our next auto, we've got a Michael Chesia, welterweight. A Khabib out of Certified, and a Jokic out of Illusions. Big Diaz. Khabib out of Origins. Out of 49, a Cyril Gane rated rookie. A nice Poirier out of Optic.
One of my favorite fighters.
We've got a red Blazevich. That's a cool looking card. That is 1 out of 149.
There we go, bookends.
Nice. Gilbert Burns rookie and a Zangwelly. Thicker card back there. Ngannou. We've got a Ngannou Crown Royale. Rated rookie of Rodolfo Vieira. Nate Diaz. Filler, they tricked us. Kevin Holland rookie. And purple out of 49, a Holly Holm. Still salty she knocked Ronda Rousey out. That was my girl. Everything went downhill after that.
Right? Ronda didn't even make it in WWE, it seems like.
That was my girl.
They like
Gane rated rookie.
They never really let her do anything in WWE, so
Yeah.
that's my guy.
Adesanya. Yeah.
Yeah, I loved him.
Ngannou. Shevchenko out of Spectra. Followed by a silver Shevchenko out of Spectra. Zangwell. And a Kevin Holland rookie out of Illusions. Congrats on that box, Paul. We'll be getting this out to you shortly. Thank you.